System files corrupted by the Ndfapi.dll failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. As we get into the manual process for Ndfapi, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Ndfapi, the Network Diagnostics Framework API. It provides unmanaged routines for troubleshooting network failures, managing the diagnostic data link for system connectivity manifests. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Ndfapi is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scannow to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Ndfapi. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since the restart didn't fix the network DLLs, let's run the reset commands to refresh the protocol stack. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type now n.etsh space int space ip space reeset, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, network protocols rely on a clean data path. This reset flushes corrupted socket entries and clears the cached routing manifests that often prevent these DLLs from communicating. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Ndfapi DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Ndfapi. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Ndfapi error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.